Property Link sourced and acquired George Street, Birmingham in 2001 with a project value of £2 million. This property comprised of approximately 20,000 square feet of offices on half an acre, within close proximity to the Edgbaston cricket ground. Property Link carried out a feasibility, structural and valuation appraisals, which was purchased at auction on behalf of clients. Funding was arranged and planning consent was obtained for one of the biggest daycare nurseries in the UK for 250 children. Planning was also obtained for school use. This strategy was adapted due to the size and nature of the property. Property Link found tenants for the school and the offices, which enhanced the market valuation. Leases were drafted. The property is now the headquarters for Property Link and all its operations throughout the UK. Property Link is now in the process of facilitating a state-of-the-art academy for entrepreneurs and will be operational very shortly.